Welcome back to this channel, Comes with Dr. Kemi. In the last video, we examined feminist theory, where it comes from, what it assumes, what it predicts, and some criticism. We established that the core idea of feminist theory is that gender is a central organizing principle in society, and society gives more privilege and power to men more than women. Media reflects and reinforces this and can also challenge it. In this video, I'll be examining the core concepts of feminist theory and its relevance in today's digital world. Now let's dive in. I'll be talking about 6 core concepts of feminist theory. The first one is patriarchy. This talk about a social system where society gives more power to men, economically, socially, and politically. Think of Nigerian news media or talk shows where men lead political discussions and even business discussions. The second one is gender inequality. This explains the differences in roles, opportunities, and positions based on gender. The third one is representation. This talks about how men and women appear in the media, which shapes how we see and understand gender. The fourth one is intersectionality. This explains that gender interacts with class or race. In other words, being male or female isn't the only thing that determines how people treat you in society. Other things like how much money you make, your income, where you come from, race or ethnicity, and your disability or ability altogether interact with gender to determine the treatment people give you in society. The fifth one is male gaze. The concept introduced by Lara Movey, which explains that media often show women as objects to be looked at for the visual pleasure of men. We've seen this in musical videos, Nollywood movies, even some social media posts or videos. Then the sixth one is empowerment. The feminist theory doesn't just spot the problem, it creates the solution. It highlights that media can challenge stereotypes. Media campaigns like a Girl in Nigeria or social media content, often led by women, can promote female empowerment, show that women can make logical decisions, show that women can participate and contribute meaningfully in the society. Women can inspire others, women can lead change, and women can contribute positively, bringing about development in the society. When we understand these concepts, we become smarter digital consumers. We can recognize patterns, understand and challenge stereotypes, and even use digital platforms more responsibly to promote equality. It's about seeing, questioning, and challenging, not just scrolling blindly. If you are yet to watch my video on Stop Scrolling Blindly, how social media algorithms shape your world, please watch it to understand the social media better. We have seen real examples from the Nigerian society that shows that women can get education, have families, and still succeed in business. Think of women like Prudence Gabriel, Vicky James, and the celebrity chef, Hilda Baci. These women have carved spaces in fashion, entrepreneurship, and entertainment. When women get education and opportunities, they think for themselves, participate in society, and challenge unfair treatment. Media and news features have recently highlighted stories showing that women can lead, innovate, create wealth, and influence society, thereby changing narratives, not just following traditional norms. So when we highlight examples of successful women in leadership, business, and media, does that mean that feminist theory is no more relevant today? Not at all. the theory is still very relevant today. In fact, the theory highlights the ongoing challenges and progress in our society. The theory is still highly relevant for the following reasons. 1. Social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram shape how youth understand gender roles and norms. 2. Although some Nigerian brands now show women in leadership positions, stereotypes still exist in media campaigns. The third one is Nollywood movies, musical videos, advertisements, and some online series still provide clear examples of male gaze and empowerment. Yes. The fourth one is that recognizing these patterns help us to understand and challenge stereotypes, and also to use digital platforms more responsibly to promote equality. So in summary, this theory is still highly relevant in today's digital world. It provides a lens to understand and to recognize patterns of stereotype in media, and it also helps us to think critically about the everyday use of the media. When next you scroll through social media or watch music video or see an advertisement, pause and ask yourself, who is represented? Who has more power? And who is silenced? The feminist theory helps you to answer all these questions. The theory is not just an old book idea. It is a tool to understand, challenge, and transform the world around us. Women in Nigeria and across the globe have proven that when given education and opportunity, they can lead, thrive, and transform the society. And now you also have the lens to notice it too. If you enjoy this explanation, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, share your perspective in the comment section, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class right here on